Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech. Before you create a bootable pen drive, you have to know the type of BIOS system or BIOS mode your PC supports. So in today's video, I'll show you how to check for your BIOS mode your PC supports. Without further delay, let's get started. So first thing you have to do is, on your keyboard, press Windows key plus R, and this run box will open. And on the run box text box, you have to type in msinfo32. And once you just type in that, just click on OK, and then this dialog box opens, which is system information. And here we have, as you can see there, we have system summary, and on the system summary we have the OS name, OS type, version, and all that. And below here you can see we have BIOS mode, and beside it we have UEFI. And here for my own it is UEFI, and your own it could be a legacy. So if your own is legacy, once you are creating the bootable, you have to select MBR, and once you select MBR, you are good to go. But for my case it is UEFI, so I have to select GPT in order for me to create my bootable easy and simple. Right. So guys, that is just how simple and easy it is to check for your BIOS mode or system that your PC supports. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.